Now keep the towel handy, place it under your left knee and bring your right foot against the left thigh. Making sure you sit nice and straight. And then when you're ready, inhale as you raise your arms up. Fully lengthen your spine. See how tall can you get? Taller. A little bit more taller. Now, inhale and exhale, lean forward first, bringing your tummy down and catch your foot and bring your head down on your knee. Again, if it's too heavy, too difficult for you, too painful, put more towels under the knee or move the towel further close to your hip and it will make it a little bit less painful. And let's breathe. Ideally, we want to stretch up, open our back, a little bit of hamstrings. First, lift your face up, chest up, arms straight in the front, then lift them all the way up to the ceiling and nicely extend your spine. Once again, take a full breath in. And then when you breathe out, lean forward and stretch down. Catch your foot, drop your head on your knee. Let's breathe. Very good, Mook. Focus on, yes, stretching. Get your belly on your thigh. You're good. It's much better than the last time. I can see your lower back is engaging better. Inhale and exhale. 3, 2, and 1. Lift your face, chest, hands straight up to the ceiling. Inhale, look up, bend backwards, slightly bend backwards. And breathe out, bring your hands down right beside your hips. Now let's straighten both your legs. Bring the towel under your knee. Again, if it's more painful, you move the towel further close to your hips. Both legs this time. Okay, once again, stretch your arms straight over your head. Fully inhale. And then as you exhale, bend forward. Lean over your thighs first, followed by your chest. Catch your foot, your big toe or your entire foot, whichever comes first, and then bend over. Please give time to yourself here. We need to relax in the posture. Full inhalation. And the exhalation here. Taking 6 breaths